Well, hopefully it's enough to do the last beam. It's the last big project besides painting that we need to get done. So, I don't know if we'll do anything today, but we brought some in anyways.
So that's the one you got a box in yet?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then that's it until the ground thaws. Then we can move on to another project. Another building project.
Another building project.
With pallets. This time, what's unique about the new one?
What's unique about the new one?
All the pallets are the same size?
Yeah. We've learned our lesson. All the pallets are same thickness, same size for the walls, same thickness and same size for the ceiling, or the roof.
So how long has Philip been saving pallets?
So we've been saving pallets since the fall.
So a good 8 months anyway. Yeah.
So I think we got all the materials we need. As soon as the snow goes away, we'll start the project.
Third week in April, still have snow. Why are you taking those off?
Well, you have to. It's the trim pieces, right?
Oh.
They have to come off.
Kind of short of tools here because of the bathroom renovation.
Yeah, basically had step ladder, but I just got to see if I got to. I cut a bunch of boards. I just want to see if I need to cut any of them. I have to take some home today.
Okay. Good thing you only brad nailed those then. Good thing you only brad nailed those.
Yeah, I can use to put it there.
I think so.
Yeah, it's pretty good actually. These are the ones that I picked to go here. So,
yeah, because you want to match the reveal.
Okay.
So what size are these? 5 inches?
They're 4.5.
Oh, okay.
4 3/4. I did rip them down, but it might have been a mistake. Probably could have got away
with the 5s.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what do you got for a reveal? 1/4 inch?
Well, I'm going to have to give as little as possible. Get one nail up and I'll figure it out here. Get one nail in.
Would you like the hammer?
It's up there.
Oh, you got it already. All right. is that the final look, or is this just a dry fit?
This is a dry fit. I just wanted to see if I need to get any more boards.
Mm-hmm.
That's gonna go up a little higher.
Yeah, because you've got too much of a reveal there.
You want to have a look and see if you can.
Yeah, that looks better.
Okay. If I'm gonna be able to do this, what I want to do.
Yeah. Why did we put that trim on there anyway? Well, I guess we were going to leave it that way, were we?
It was, but
I like the box didn't look better.
I got my decision got overturned.
Yes, it did. It was the right decision to box the beam in.
I know.
I think it looks good.
I know. You're right.
It looks finished now.
Yeah. Well, I was eventually going to do it, but I was up to my eyeballs in the bathroom there, so it was kind of.
Mm-hmm. Did a lovely job with the bathroom. Well, that's that 4.5, did you say?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
The 4.5 will work behind.
Yeah.
We need 5-inch boards over here.
Oh, okay. Because it's on an angle.
Yeah.
Okay. The back is shorter than the front.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I know.
So what are you going to do?
Well, we won't do anything for the rest of the day. I'm just going to, well, we could put the back side up, I guess.
Yep.
While we're here.
Might as well.
Okay.
What do you need? More nails?
Yeah. This, you know, the small ones?
Oh, the really little ones?
Yeah, really little ones.
How about I get you some straight ones?
Straight over.
Where did you get these from? A lot of these are just crooked.
That's a straight.
Emergency nails are the crooked ones. Okay. Very old school.
This one off. Use them back here.
I don't understand what you're doing. I thought that was the front bit.
Yeah, but remember I said I had to get a wider board for the front?
Oh, okay.
Yep. Okay. So what we're going to do is use these at the back.
Are you going to reuse those nails? Apparently not.
I'd like to, but
I have two straight ones here. We don't have to use the emergency ones.
they ran away. Thank you. Okay.
It didn't, did it really? So what, two and a bit? I think you're gonna have to cut one.
One.
Well, 3 in each board isn't bad.
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah, that's about all we can do today.
Well, you gotta cut those other boards.
Yeah, I need some 5-inch plus boards up here.
I don't know. It's just nice to come out for a snowshoe when it's so warm.
Oh yeah, beautiful.
That's the nicest day we've had out here.
Yep.
In 2022.
Yep. All right.